In this video, I will show you how to remove unwanted hand shadow on face in Affinity Photo. Hey everyone, this is Dav from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel. Now this is a tricky work to remove any kind of unwanted shadow on face. There may be many ways to do and get the same result. Choice is yours, which one you find comfortable. First, select your image. Zoom in. Make a copy of it by Ctrl J. Take a pen tool and start selecting hand shadow from the face like this. After that, go to top, selection, click on it. Go to adjustment, curves. Hold the midpoint and drag it like this. Make a maximum brightness that match with face tone. Now there will be harsh edges. Keep your selection active. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Eight to 10 radius is fine. Ctrl D, deselect. And see those hard edges are now in soften. Put this in a group folder. Right click, merge visible as make it in one layer. Zoom in. Take in painting brush tool. Flow opacity 100%, hardness 0, foreground color black and gentle brush on those edges to remove it. Take your time and brush on it. Now there will be a mismatch color with original face tone and the shadow area that we removed. If I am not wrong, then it cannot be fixed 100%, but we can lighten those area by using HSL. Use hue to match tone as long as possible. Feel free and check it. Use levels. Use vibrance if needed. And that's it. This is my way, and I'm happy with my output result. This is before and after. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please hit that bell notification for getting update of my all new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a next video soon. I'm Dav from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel.